Did you know there's a place in England where the legendary wizard Merlin is said to be buried? It's called the Marlborough Mound, or Merlin's Mound. And big changes are coming to this ancient site. This incredible 4,000-year-old monument, standing 19 meters tall, is getting a major restoration. Located within the grounds of Marlborough College, the mound has seen a lot over the centuries. From a Norman castle built by William the Conqueror to more modern buildings added in the 20th century. Now, the college has been given the green light to remove these modern structures, like a workshop and toilets, which were cut into its side. This will not only make the site more visually pleasing but also allow archaeologists to study a cross-section of this nationally important monument. While it's usually closed to the public, there's an annual open day, so maybe you'll get a chance to see it for yourself. What a cool piece of history! Thanks for watching.